So thank you for joining Chandramohan sir, and welcome to Stock Market Success Formula testimonial video session. And thank you for agreeing to give a testimonial, because this is something like I'm starting to do. And uh, generally, basic introduce yourself, like when you are about yourself and your background, whatever is possible, you can introduce.
Yeah, I can just do that. So my name is Chandra Mohan. I am working as an architect in L&T Construction, Chennai. My background is basically I have studied architecture, and for the last 12 years I have been practicing architecture in terms of office design and public spaces design. So on and off, I have got interested in share market after my company has given me ESOP. Like as a part of my company promotion activities, they had given me ESOP. So based upon that ESOP, I had started to develop my likening towards share market, wherein which like the ESOP given to me had given me a profit of close to 100%, because
Okay.
company was offering me at a very discounted rate. So which actually gave me a second thought about planning in a second way, my financial
Okay.
planning to
Okay.
be second way, wherein which I can think about an alternative income. So through that course only I got introduced myself to stock market and all these sort of workings. But I have been what to say trading or investing in the stock market through my friends' advice, because I am not a very what to say accounts person, or I don't understand this jargons. And also my friends would guide me, so they would
Okay.
guide me
Okay.
invest in certain stocks. So like that only I got developing a orientation towards the stock market. So right now I am thinking of what to say like I'm planning towards knowing the stock market in detail and investing with my own knowledge and guts. So through that one day I got to know about your course
Okay. Okay.
recently from I believe on January I got to know, and then in
Yes.
February I
Yes.
enrolled in your course.
Yes, thank you for joining, and hope you completed almost watching all the videos. And how was the course videos? Your general feedback about how was the thing,
Uh,
and was it as expected? You are looking out for.
Yeah, courses were good, and the videos were also quite a bit very much in a detailed explanatory, wherein which I was able to understand about the financial jargons in a very simple way, like this PE and the other activities to look out for this inventory ratio, which nobody knows in my friend circle. So those were some of the things which we were able to grasp it from your lessons. So it was very much in line with what is my investment strategy. Like if I have to plan for a midterm, long term, or for a short term, I was able to understand from your videos, and I was able to uh, study it in detail,
Okay.
the way it
Okay.
has been structured, and the resources, whatever has been given at the end of the tutorial, like the each and every course was very much helpful. Wherein which, like, especially one thing which I would like to highlight is like you had listed down that sectors and the criteria to look out for the equities in those sectors,
Okay.
and
Okay.
especially that cycle, the market cycle, how it will behave, and what are all the stocks that has to be looked out for each cycle, like
Okay.
especially the recession, recovery, peak, and those sort of things, which was very much new to even my friend circle also, like persons who are what to say like investing or trading in the stock market for the last 10 years. The persons
Okay.
whom I know, my friend circle, they themselves don't know these things. So when I just questioned them about these aspects, they were quite a bit puzzled about what is this you're talking. So this is
Okay.
something in
Okay.
which I also was able to understand, and I was able to make some success also with this within this short 3 months. Like I
Okay.
was able to understand this phase, and especially as per your that cycle, I got to know about these things, and I started tracking down one company by the name of On Mobile
Okay.
Global Solutions, which I tracked down, and then I invested in around the Jan end, and by March starting, the value has doubled.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
around the 60 is what was the rate in around Jan end and something like that. So based upon your tutorial and all those things, I studied, and then I just got invested. It's a very small amount only, but still
That's okay.
uh,
Yes.
from 67 it went up to 120, 130. So
Okay.
that is
Okay.
something which I was looking at.
It's almost close to 100%, because I always say suggest
Yeah.
that start small, and the returns is almost 100%. That gives the satisfaction. I made a small amount and that gave me 100%.
Yeah,
So
exactly. So,
I
yes.
really love it. Thanks for implementing, and that is what gives pleasure to me, and it will give more pleasure to you as well, I believe, right? So investing on our
Yeah.
own and making money on our own. So thank you so
Yes,
much for
exactly.
sharing that. So, and there was something like we do master classes. So I know that you have been regular attendee. So how was the master classes? Was it helpful to the next level in grasping things?
Yeah, for the level one masterclass which I have attended in this month of March was very much helpful to me. I can definitely recommend to even any other person who wanted to uh, attend and have a basic knowledge about the masterclass, because this level one masterclass, whatever has been done for these 4 5 days, that is
Yes,
the cycle,
weekly
is four
ones.
five weeks
Yes.
weekly once. So this has actually given me immense confidence. Like I was able to track down each and every minute detail, plus the course, because I was able to relate that course with this
With this
masterclass, and I was
masterclass.
able to get these doubts also clarified. Like even though I have not raised many doubts, but the persons who are raising the doubts was able to give me some sort of good clarification on to how to proceed for this the tutorials or the
Okay.
videos,
Okay.
the
Okay.
sequencing or prioritizing the courses. So it was very
Okay.
effective.
So thank you so much for the sharing that and completing the course. And you already shared one unique thing you felt. I think you already shared a lot about how the course and other things. One unique thing, a differentiating factor with respect to you would have watched so many other courses or people, your friends may be saying about
Yeah,
stock
I
market.
had earlier enrolled in during the month of Jan another what to say, like course also. Like I
Okay.
have gone to some 2 or 3 courses. Earlier, prior to you, I have joined in 2 courses. It was by two different personalities. Basically, they were from Mumbai and Delhi. Some of my friends have asked me to enroll it, but it was how to say, like those courses were more like theoretical, like what is there. Those
Okay.
courses were
Okay.
something like it's like the past experience of what has happened. So
Okay.
I was not able to get a feel about what I have to do for the future.
Okay.
So your courses, I was able to at least understand the past, the present, and even the future where I should focus upon.
Okay. Okay.
Like from you only I was able to grasp that financial cycle of an economy, and then I was able to understand, okay, what will be the sector that will be evergreen. Like
Okay.
through you only I was able to understand these two factors, like what will be something called as evergreen stock, and what should be the stock that will actually come down in a certain phase, and how it will go down in another phase, like rally,
Yeah.
when the
Yeah.
bull will actually hit the stock in a certain phase, and when the bear will actually grab the stock in a life cycle and a cycle, and when to invest and when to exit. So this I was able to have a better clarity and understanding. So that's how I was able to make it. And the evergreen stocks, like what is the stock that will be favored, or the stocks that can be actually had as a for
Long
the
term
generations to
portfolio.
come, for a
Yeah.
long time, for the
Long term portfolio.
generations to come, like ITC, those sort of stocks, or even my company L&T also, because
Yes.
uh, so those are the other things which I was able to understand, and how this will move and the rally will happen. And the other stocks wherein which, like the stocks which can be oriented towards dividend alone. So
Yes.
maybe some of the government companies like ONGC, or for that matter this NTPC or Bell, or even any other companies. So government companies where there will be guaranteed dividend, but the rally will not be up to expected level.
Yes. Yes.
So those sort of things I was able to understand from you, because I was able to understand at least to an extent when there will be a rally in one sector, and who will be the key beneficiaries, and when it will be actually at the lower end, and when to invest, when to exit. So these are one of the key takeaways which I have learned from your courses. At least I am able to think and understand about the entry and exit position in a
Okay.
stock.
Okay. Okay, I think you made a fair point. I think that is what I even wanted to convey to everyone. Either they are joining the course or not, stock market should be for everyone, so that everyone. So, can you now confidently say everyone can invest in stock market after knowing, so that it will bring in lots of better returns
Definitely.
and financial independence? Yes.
See, definitely, if you just see about the global economy, India is actually pegged at the second fastest growing economy.
Right.
So,
Right.
in the developing countries, India is pegged that it can go up to more than 5 trillion in the next 10 years.
Right.
Maybe by
Exactly.
2080, 2030, we will be much more than what we are right now. So, if you are investing right now in 1 lakh, if you know the basics and everything, if you have got to know at least through author tutors like you, if they were able to understand, they were able to what to say, like if they can have 100% dedication towards a course and tutorial like what you provide, if they are able to grasp it and be very what to say, like dedicated in
Right. Right.
understanding these each and every technical details, definitely I can think I can say like everyone can invest in the stock market. Like at least it will be benefiting them also. Like even I used to still remember the one of the blunders which I have done during my initial days,
Okay.
because
Okay.
the first blunder was like uh, just after getting into the job, I have been told by my father to get an LIC policy.
Okay. Okay.
So he asked me to book an LIC policy. It is going to give you a lifetime guaranteed return. And I have got one of my friend. He was actually oriented towards getting into stock market. Like I am saying, it was in 2005, 6,
Okay. Okay.
2005 and 6. So he got himself oriented to the stock market. I told him like I am going to get my salary. So from the salary, I am just going to reserve 10% towards the
Investing in
LIC
stock.
investment.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So he told like I'm going to take the 10% invest in stock market. I
Okay.
told him like a stock market is like a gamble. Everyone is saying. So what is
Okay.
your? So he told no. I have got my own calculations. I'm going through a certain dedicated path. I know there is going to be a what to say like downside also, but I am sure whatever that upside and downside is going to come, I'm definitely going to make a profit. Maybe if not for this year, for next year.
Okay.
So just in last year when this lockdown was happening, I was just conversing with him. So I had made towards his LIC and then housing loan, everything. So I completed my housing loan. I got only one home for me. But he got invested in stock market for the last around
15 years,
13,
close to.
14 years.
Mm-hmm.
What's 15
Yes.
years?
Yes.
He told like he has bought around two homes in the same locality where I'm staying over here.
Okay.
So I asked him how. So he told like, you remember I started investing in stock market point of time itself. So my shares have got multiplied. So you also have your own ESOP. So if you have seen your ESOP, you would have been allotted something close to X shares, and you would have got right now 2.5 X shares after the split. You might have
Right.
checked it for
Right.
yourself. Yeah, I told him yes, I might have checked it. Just think about the value. You got your ESOP at certain price, and right now you're getting a 2.5x. I did the same with all the other companies. You got only with your own
One
company. I did the
company,
same
I'm
for
doing
all
it.
their
Okay.
companies. So that's how he told. So he told like he made it something like for the entire 15 years, he was able to generate an income of around close to 1 crore and above.
Okay.
So
So
that's
that's a
what he
huge
told.
amount. Yes. Yes.
So that's what he told me. So that's when I got, I was quite a bit shocked. Like, so have I missed this golden opportunity? So I just checked with my friends who are saying like whether the guy who is stating is true. And then they told, yes, that is true because he is doing investment, and apart from that, he is also trading. So he is also doing trading, but he is also majorly into investment. Like he is having a balanced portfolio wherein which he
Okay.
will be allocating towards
Something
his
for
interest and
long
other
term,
things.
something for short term kind
Something
of.
for short term and mid term, everything mixed. So he's got a portfolio which is he has got some stocks which are multi-bagger also.
Right.
So they
Right.
told me like one interesting stock in his portfolio, which goes by the name of alkyl amines.
Alkylamines. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Chemical
alkyl amines,
company.
chemical company. They
Yes.
told me like he started investing in that stock when it was around close to 100, 150, something like that.
I think
Around close to
2010,
2010,
2009,
11,
10. Yes.
2010, 11, something what they told. So at that point of time itself, he started investing in that stock. So he was slowly investing in that stock. Right now, he has that stock of something close to 1,000 numbers here, 1,000 equities has
Right.
got for
Right.
the company. So they told like last year it was trading around something close to 4,900, 5,000 it is trading. So just think, for
Got
that
it.
5,000 rupees, the amount he has got is huge.
Awesome.
So
Awesome.
that's what I was very much interested. So then I actually oriented myself towards this thing, like I should learn,
Okay.
because
Okay.
I got to know about this during the period of November, December. That's when I thought, okay, I should learn. So I would definitely advise everyone to come and invest in the stock market.
Thank you
But
for
they have to know the basics. They can at least get hold of some
know and invest.
good
That is the
tutors.
thing you should. Yeah.
Yes,
Know and
exactly.
invest. Okay. Okay.
Without knowing, like they may invest in stocks like which are coming up at small value, thinking that their previous thing it has gone up to this level. So maybe right now we will invest in the lower end. It can go up to that level. So it should
Correct.
not be the
Correct.
case. They should know about the basics and backups and other things like what you are tutoring. So and then they can invest. Definitely, I would welcome everyone to come and invest.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience and about your friends' things so that it's a live example, I can say, so that people can also join in. And now, do you believe your financial goals, you can achieve it much easier and much faster by investing in stock market?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, I believe like I can be able to make the maximum return with this investment, with the investing in stock market.
Okay. Thank you
Definitely,
so
maybe in 10 years, I can at least reach where my friends used to say.
Okay, okay. So probably even faster you can reach if as you are learning and as you are started investing practically. All the very best. So what are your financial goals? If you want, have you oriented already? Like this is what I want to invest for long term. Something like that. If you
Yeah,
want to share, if
yeah, I
possible,
have.
you can share.
Yeah, definitely. I have oriented my financial goals. So right now, I'm just having over a portfolio of around 100%, means maybe 40% I would like to go for a long-term investment equity, and the 30% towards the midterm, and 20% oriented towards 20 to 30% oriented towards the short term. So I would
Okay.
like to have my maximum parked in the long-term investment. So like maybe 10 years from now or 15 years from now, where the shares are going to be, I would like to park my investment in that long-term investment strategy equities. And for the midterm and short term, I would like to have as a equal balance, or maybe short term I can just reduce it. Midterm can be a bit more. So
Okay.
like that, I am just working out my strategy towards the investing.
Okay. Thank you so much. And one last question. And again, I'm asking, so how strongly you will recommend this course to anyone who is watching and who wants to learn stock market?
Definitely, I will recommend to the persons who are very much interested to know about the basics of a stock market and equity and investing. So definitely. So I would recommend to the person, the learned persons, or the people who wanted to have an equal amount of dedication towards knowing it. So definitely I would recommend. So if
Thank
a
you.
person is very much damn serious about knowing a stock market and then he wanted to investments, definitely I would recommend your lesson to him.
Thank you so much, Chandramohan sir. Thank you for taking part in this video interview so that everyone can know and sharing your experience and sharing about what has happened in the last 15 years in your life with respect to stock market also. Thank you so much for joining in today.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.